Okay, so these are that I can. This is quite nice and smooth here. So and these two posts. So this one also I use, and this one is the rubbers. I don't know how to call this one, and this is another steel, but this one never rust. I don't know how to call this, but this one will be rust. So later on I burn it and I put inside the oils. And this hand, it's only 12 millimeters, so I make the thread. So in here it's only 10 millimeters. So what happened the bottom inside here, like other bolt inside it and bolts inside here. So this is the bolt that I use. The bottom is 18 millimeters, but right here it's only 14 millimeters. So this is also I make it. Even this one too, I also make it. But this is I'm not sure because it's not easy for me to make all this one. So I do, it's quite long because uh, I don't have, any in like a good, thread to make this one. And talking about this bowl that I make it. So the first time I'm looking from a shop, but I never found. So in this bowl around here, it's all is 12s. So that means I make the thread right here. So and this top right here, from the bottom, and then and to the top, it's only uh, 65 millimeters, 65 millimeters. So for the side, this two post, it's all is bolts that I make it here. But also, I try looking from the shop, but no one have this one. So otherwise, I have different idea. I just get the metal. So this metal is square. The metal here is square. So otherwise, I can make this. So from the top here to the bottom is to the bottom. It is it's a 12, sorry, 52 millimeters. So this is for one bowl right here. And also first time is a white color, but I just burn it and put inside the oils, so that is now it's work right now. So this is I don't know how to call this, as much about this one, but from the gap here of the two posts, gap from the two posts right here. So this is a 32 millimeters. So that means I can use like a two post, oh sorry, tool holder right here. So this tool holder here is a 25 millimeters. So that is very easy for me if I want to add like that. I no need insert something at the bottom, but if I use only 20 millimeters, so I have to add some the metal below this. So that is our, I can tell you, but I don't know how to explain more because this is I don't have any experience about the name of this tool post. But I'm happy because this is everything, nice and contact together. And then even this one too on the top here. So very nice and contacts, very nice and contacts. it's very nice, you know, when I put the truss bearing right here, the truss bearing right here. So uh, it's nice and smooth right now. So between bolt to other bolt, so right here, it's 32 millimeters, 32 millimeters. So I can start from here to here. So that means from one here to here 32, and here 32, and here 32. So talking about this bolt and then the thread right here and the bottom, is only the 15th, only 15, so 18 and 15. And this one you see this one are for moving the bolt here. So the spindles is made from the metal here, but this one, this is never rough, but this is should be rough. And this one also, this is a is small size. It's only 17 millimeters, so I can use this one here. And then I weld inside, so I weld inside right here. So now it's work. I do apologize for my English, and especially, you know, how to explain this one. I'm not sure how to do that, because I don't know how to know about name this one as much about this. So otherwise, I'm not really good for explaining, but really happy because I have this one. I can feel, you know, more powerful than the previous one, because the previous one is smaller than, you know, when I milling the huge you know, or deep cut, so it's not that good at all. And for now, I finished the two posts, everything nice and set ready. So my next step is tailstock. My next step is tailstock. So my here is the two posts that I make it. But this one, you know, I have been set a nice straight and contact together at the bottom ready. But this one is only for temporary. I cannot use this one anymore because the previous tailstock I used the metal right here is very thin. So like that, you know, it's not strong enough. So when I try to pull like that, it's really tight and tough. Because why not? This is very thin, and also, you know, when I milling big milling right here, it's not good for working.